Bitcoin is not the only coin that has hit all-time highs this week and in price discovery mode. Hyperliquid is another one which has set new highs, hitting just under $38 so far this week. So in this video, we're going to take a look at a couple of areas I'm interested in on a pullback, but also my medium and longer term price targets for this coin. Before I begin the analysis, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And in the comment section below, I'll pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can find out more information about us, and also a link to our website. So looking here, first of all, at the daily chart for Hype, and we can see how we got daily closure above the previous highs, which was at around $32. And since then, we have maintained above that level. We got a really nice retest yesterday. This was on Saturday, and a perfect reaction right from that old daily resistance, which confirms now as the sort of short-term daily support. This explosive move we got to the upside, obviously it has lined up with Bitcoin's move too, but we was watching, I think I posted a couple of tweets about this, that $26, $27 was a big area of resistance, and once we did break above, we would likely get a very fast move, and that's exactly what has played out. So for now, in the short term, we're looking for $32 to continue to hold as support. So any moves down to test that again is a potential place to take scalp entries, but other than that, I do obviously, we can't fail to notice we've got quite a big gap here. And realistically, the sort of $27 breakout area wasn't back tested at all. It just pumped straight through. So lots of levels in this area that I'm interested in on a pullback. $27, $28, something like that would be key for me to hold. So any sort of major correction in the market or a quick wick down, $28, $27 is somewhere where I'd really be interested in perhaps taking a bigger swing position to trade back towards the highs. In terms of a sort of medium and long-term target, now if we go from the previous highs right down to the lows, which was around $9, and use our fib tool, then if we was to take the 618 fib level, the 1.618 fib level here, which is always a good way to set sort of a longer term price target in my opinion, is up at around $52, which does seem more than possible this market cycle, if not even higher. So $52 is definitely something that I think we could look to target. Now if we did get a more significant pullback, again we could use the fib levels running from the lows up to the current highs. Now this is obviously assuming that we do not get any other high. This would change the fib level slightly, but for now the 618 to the downside, sort of around the $20 level, was also a key level of demand. So any move down to this place, $21, $22 in the medium term, for me is a place where you could potentially look to accumulate heavily in spot positions. We can see we have a lot of daily demand in this area, and also we have a daily fair value gap. We can see there was no price action traded in this area here, so definitely somewhere that needs to be filled. So this daily demand is a really nice looking level for a swing position, in my opinion. Hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know in your comments what is your price target for Hype in the medium and long term, and I will see you on the next video.